If you have curly hair and a stylist reaches for thinning shears, this is your sign to pause, because what happens next can completely change your curl pattern. You're going to want to stick around until the end, because you're going to learn why thinning shears disrupt curls and what should be done instead to keep your curls defined and healthy. Look, curly hair has its own set of rules. It behaves differently, it responds differently, and it needs to be approached differently. But not every stylist is trained deeply in curly hair. So sometimes they treat it like straight hair. And that's where problems begin. When thinning shears are used on curly hair, they break up the curl pattern. So instead of curls forming together, they separate. Then they start losing their consistency, and that creates that halo frizz, that uneven shape, that puffiness at the ends. And once that curl pattern's disrupted, it is really hard to get it back. So curly hair really does depend on consistency. Anything that disrupts that consistency creates chaos in the curl. Curly hair should be shaped, not thinned. That means working with the curl pattern, cutting it in a way that supports the natural movement, and preserving density where the curl needs it, because curls need weight to form properly. If you remove too much, they lose their structure. This is why curly hair cutting is its own specialty. It's not just about removing hair. It's about understanding how that hair lives and moves. When curly hair is cut correctly, it transforms. Yeah, it does. You get better definition, you get less frizz, you get more predictable styling, and instead of fighting your curls, you start to trust them. So if your curls have been feeling a little inconsistent or frizzy, it may not be your products. It may be how your hair was cut in the salon. If you want help understanding what your curls actually need, my Good Hair Day Emergency Kit walks you through it step by step. You can grab it below. But remember, always remember, when you know better, you do better.